Manual recording will now start.
When I fucking need it the most. I don't get it. Fuck this stupid fucking piece of shit, horse shit ass.
Manual.
Yet another Greya test, in which she tells Scion to pay me respects while seeing if I'll rescue my friends or just plow through straight to her.
Manual. Manual recording will now.
I really think they should have made secondaries not cost a point for the Pick 10 system, because then they can make more because they know people will use them and they won't be punished for taking one.
Hey guys, you want to see the best parking ever? Wow!
One of my videos last year, I threw this one in there. One of my high school IDs. That's right. UV card and my key.
We're gonna be looking at Black Ops Crash Wars again. Oh my god. It didn't crash on me. Black Ops
Manual
didn't
recording
crash on
will
me.
now start.
It's a miracle. It's a freaking never says you can only be a fisherman or a leather worker. Pick between one of them. You can choose whatever you want to excel at. Focus on that one skill or branch out and do a
Manual recording.